This super easy hack is going to save you money. Now this hand wash is 69p and it's because the bottle already has a pump in it. Oops, just dropped that one. But this hand wash on the lower shelf that doesn't have a pump in it is only 55p. So you're saving 14 pence. Not a huge amount, but every little helps. And then when you take this one home, if you already have a hand soap, you just pop your pump in it.
Here's how to make saving simple. Let's say you want to save $20,000. If you want to do it in 3 months, save $219.20 a day. If you want to do it in 6 months, save $109.60 a day. And if you want to do it in 12 months, save $54.80 a day. Set this up as an automatic transfer and let's get saving.
So this is one of the easiest ways that you can save money. Every day you just go into your bank account and you transfer the last digit of your balance into your savings account. Then this is the total of savings at the end of the week, times 52 weeks, and this is how much you could save in 1 year.
Use this simple budget hack to change your life. 50% of your pay goes towards essentials such as rent, 30% towards wants, 20% into savings and paying off your debt.
Let's talk about an easy way to save money. If this is in your checking account at the end of the day, you're gonna move the last digit into your savings account. Do this every day and you'll barely feel it. Look at this. After 7 days, I was able to save 24 bucks. Times each week, that's a total of $1,248 a year.